iPhone mic adapter. I first made this one and I made it correctly because it hits and misses. It worked part of the time, but then it wouldn't, so I kind of think it's just not getting a very good connection. Yeah. So I made another one. I just cut it apart because I made it real good, but I wired it backwards. So what I'm going to try this time is put two females, one for earphones or speakers and one for a mic on DRRS. So I'm tinning the wires now, and then I'll hope that works. Okay, well, this is what I ended up with. Yeah, I was going to make the two. I kept fighting and fighting this one. I got it down. This is like the third time taking it apart and redoing it. And I'm still not getting continuity. And it was. I don't know what I did to stop it. Anyway, I wasn't going to do it again, and all I needed was this mic jack was my main deal. I do want some headphones to monitor. You'll see why. I've got a Y, and I'm probably going to put into the amp headphone jack. That way I can Y this on one side and maybe headphones out of the other. It won't be what's coming through the phone, so I don't know about that. I may have to go ahead and end up taking this apart, and I may take it apart and redo it because I left the wires. They're still in there, and they're good on this end. I just had to figure out why this one wire's not connected now. After like the third time, I said, I'll do that later. I need a mic. It does work. These are your two, coming out of the amp. These will be your left and right, so they will be on mic. I do have both, left and right. A lot of people just run it in mono, and I'm sure you can for a microphone. I did it in stereo. This one will be your ground. Just leave. So anyway, and it does work. I've got some things to work out with it, editing. I can't hear myself, like I say, and it was extremely loud and obnoxious on two different apps. Shure mic app and video app, the Motive. And the video one, I have no idea how it works. Audio one, I fairly do, but not enough without hearing it. I have to work on that video one. I'll show you what it does. Thanks for watching. Easy peasy. Oh yeah.
That was easy.
Not so much.
That was easy.
Okay, I was really freaking out. Got my jack done, plugged it into the Apple adapter. Would show external speaker, but wasn't recording anything. Finally, I get sound. After playing with it for a while, I noticed that the sound stayed on. It was kicking off. I now have steady sound. And then I switched to the Shure Motive video app. I couldn't hear what I sounded like, so I just played around. It sounded terrible. I was giving it way too much volume or input. Well, I do believe it's working. I was afraid you might have to have a diode or resistor in there because I'm going from a mic level headphone jack, just like you would a line out. I may have to figure that out. I think it is recording now, which is not very well, or I've got it cranked up too much or something.
I'll fine tune and see.
And this is what the audio app sounded like once I listened to it back, raw, unedited.
see.